So the issue for today, gentlemen come in and snowblower won't stay running. And of course it's snowing out. His problem, over here with the camera, if we can get over there. Right in here, right there, it's supposed to be a shaft that goes from down through here, into here, and operates the choke. The problem being the shaft that goes down through here and connects to the butterfly for the choke fits down in that little nylon bushing down in there. And the problem with that shaft is, and this is what we're going to attempt to fix, this part right here is the part that goes down into the carburetor where I was pointing. So without that being hooked to that, the choke's not going to work. So my predicament is, or his predicament actually, carburetor is $100. And it'll probably be a week or so before it gets here. So we're going to try doing something. Maybe put my goggles a week or something. Well, we're going to do it anyway. Goggles or no goggles. Got my glasses on. It's just going to be a little tough seeing. We're going to see if we can braze that. Gas is going through here. Well, you should know how to touch it. Oh, maybe I didn't turn the gas all the way on. Oh, they did. Yeah, gas is on. Okay. Well, maybe I got another predicament on my hands. No? Ah, there it is. So if we can pull out a little bit of a magic trick here. We're still going to have to order a carburetor, or maybe even hopefully might be able to find that shaft and replace just that. But in the meantime, well, it ain't working too well. Flip that over and see what we got on the other side. Burn the garage down. Watch me put the torch. No, I ain't touching it. think that's going to work. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Let that cool off. File it down. And we'll take pictures from here.